Okay, so we got this situation. In a survey of 220 students of higher school, higher secondary school, it was found that at least 125 and at most 130 studies mathematics. So look at this. This question is very unique, and in previous question they have given you upper limit. The lower limit was undefined, but this time they have restricted upper limit and lower limit. So lower limit is 125, upper limit is 130. Now just look at this how we will handle this problem. Okay, at least 85 and at most 95. 85, 95. Studies physics, so N of physics. At least 75, at most 90 studied chemistry and sorry, chemistry, N of C. Okay, now we have 30 studied both physics and chemistry. So N of physics intersection chemistry is 30. Then we have 50 studied both chemistry and mathematics. 50 chemistry and mathematics. 40 studied both maths and physics. 40 studied both maths and physics. Okay, 10 studied none of these subjects. So overall it was 220. Now you will count them in 210. Okay, let m and n be the least and the most number of students who studied all three subjects. Then m plus n is equal to. Okay, so you have to find out the limit of the innermost bracket, and then you have to take the least value as m, the most value as n, and you have to add them. So you know that these type of problems we used to solve by Venn diagram. So look at this how we will approach this question. So the idea is there are three sets, correct na? So we will draw three situations. Now I will start placing the number. Suppose that there are X person who are interested in all these three things. Okay, they are saying that there are 30% who are interested in maths and physics. Suppose this is physics, this is chemistry, this is maths. Okay, now we have physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry is 30. Already we have used X, so it is 30 minus X. Now chemistry and maths. So in chemistry and maths there are 50. Already we guys have used X, so it is 50 minus X. Now physics and mathematics we have 40. X we have already used, so 40 minus X. Okay, now be super slow and look at this how we will handle this situation. So first, can we add everything? Okay, so what we will have, we will have 285. So 285 lower limit n of m plus n of p plus n of c. Okay, and this is equal to, this is 5 315. Okay, so I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this how we will approach this question. So my idea is to look, we have to find out the value of these things. So we have to do something to find out the value. So we will take help of another equation. So this is the first equation. Now we will solve for this values. So look at this. So what I will do, I will take help of formula. So n of maths union physics union chemistry was n of maths plus n of physics plus n of chemistry minus n of maths intersection physics minus n of physics intersection chemistry minus n of physics intersection chemistry plus n of physics chemistry maths. Okay, you know that all together they have 220 students, but 10 of them don't study any of these three subjects, they study different subject. So in maths, physics and chemistry department there would be 210 students. Okay, so in maths we don't know who are they. N of maths plus n of physics plus n of chemistry we don't know, but you know this person. N of maths and physics 40, n of physics and chemistry 30, n of physics, eh? Maths physics, maths chemistry, it should be maths and chemistry. So maths and chemistry is 50. Now plus x. So can I find out the value of this thing? Okay, so it would be what? 120. Okay, so 120 that side. So value of x is 90. Oh, wait a moment. It is what? It is 90 minus x is equal to n of maths, n of physics, n of chemistry. Okay, now can you use this part where n of maths plus physics plus chemistry is 90 minus x over here, so that you can have inequality in x, correct? So let's substitute there. So 285 smaller than equal to 90 minus x smaller than equal to 315. Okay, now let's subtract 90 from all sides. So 285 minus 90 will become 195. Okay, so this is minus x, and then this thing will become 225. Okay, wait, this thing will be added. Yes, we did mistake over here. Okay, so if they will come this side, it should be added now. So it is what? 120. I hope it is 120. Yes, 120 will be added. So if it is 120, 120 will be added. So it is 330. Okay, so 330 minus x. Now you will substitute 330. So it is 285 less than equal to 330 minus x smaller than equal to 315. Okay, now let's subtract 330 both sides. So 285 minus 330. So you know that if this will go that side, 30, 15, 45. So minus of 45 less than equal to minus x less than equal to minus of 15. You cannot have minus of x. So what we will do? We will multiply by minus 1. So you know that if we will multiply by minus 1, sign of inequality will change. So it will become 45 greater than equal to x greater than equal to 15. So you can write this thing as x is 45 and 15. Now, you cannot say that the minimum value is 15 and maximum value is 45 without verifying. Okay. So, if you will verify this, so if you will take x as 45, you know that x can range from 15 to 45. But if you'll take 45, this thing and this thing will be negative. So, what you should do? You should go with the least one. Okay. So, least one can give you the perfect answer. Okay. So, x will range from 15 to 30. So, you got your m, you got your n. Now, they have asked you to find out m plus n, which is 45. Okay. I hope the idea is clear, and now you can solve inequality wala problems. Okay.